Guys, and welcome to a new episode on this channel. So in this video we've got this vintage Mistralaire ceiling fan made by Tat. These were branded by Tat, especially Wing Tat. It's had to be wired this way because it wouldn't go down the down rod. Yes, I do understand there is a slight slit in the wires, but it's not touching anything, so it's fine. But I will take care of that after this video. There's a number, and here is the model number. I understand it's a bit dirty. I will be cleaning that soon. It's a 100 watt ceiling fan, which that's going to give the superpower. It's got a nice nut on the bottom. And you may think, oh, it's just one of those boring videos where he has it hooked up to one speed. Boring. No, it's on its original controller. It's wired correctly and everything. It's fine. Alright, so I've got the homemaker running because it's boiling in the shed. So started off on low. It's a very slow start. It's got to push around those heavy blades. They're extremely heavy, those ones. But if you remember, if you've been a fan for this channel for a while, it used to be over there and transported it here. Couldn't lift it. It was just too heavy with all the blades on. Had to dismantle it and then move it here. May seem like a waste of time, but I couldn't do it. It was too heavy. It does wobble a fair bit. I'm trying to fix that. I think that's as fast as we'll get the low speed. Speed 4. Speeds up a little bit. Doesn't really make much difference. Won't be on high for too long because the wobble on it's pretty bad. It's only just starting. Gets worse as it speeds up. And this should be in 4K HD quality, I'm hoping. Speed 3 makes it higher. You may think it might make it slower, but actually makes it higher. It's very silent, you can't hear it. Here's the control for you wondering what it looks like. That's what it is. Just a generic. I've seen this before. It's not as bad a wobble as last time I had it up. Well, last time I tested it, I should say. Speed 2. One more speed left before it's full blast. I'm actually that fast. Maybe in the I'll probably swap this out after this video. Small bit of wobble there. For a 100 watt fan, that's not that fast. Give it a minute to speed up, see what it does. But here we go. Be concerned about those wires. Should be fine though. And speed 1, the higher setting. Prepare to turn it off. Gee. Moves decent air on full and off. Not going to bother showing the spin down in this video because it'll just take forever. Thanks for watching. Bye.